and welcome to the open house virtual experience at the St. Petersburg campus. My name is Kaylee Ellison and I'm the Assistant Director for Residential Education here. I'm excited to talk with you about the on-campus living experience here at the St. Petersburg campus. We know that our students who live on campus with us typically have an overall higher level of satisfaction with their collegiate experience. This is because of many factors, but I want to highlight that our students typically have higher graduation rates because they achieve a greater level of academic success, and that's directly correlated to the fact that they're directly connected and more able to utilize the campus resources available steps away from their door. We also know that our students who live on campus with us are more likely to get involved on campus, whether it be through different student organizations, taking on different leadership opportunities, or even attending different campus events throughout the week and weekend. We also see that our students who live on campus have a higher level of development, both personally and professionally. And we see that our students have and are able to connect with more people and more diverse groups of people. While I know the benefits are great, I also want to highlight some of the advantages to living on campus. While living on campus with us, our students are better connected to the community, both on a campus level and the greater St. Petersburg area. Our students are provided more opportunities to learn both in and outside of the classroom, and they're better connected and are able to create lasting friendships. Some of the additional academic resources that our residential experience and specific offers. We have our house calls program, which directly connects our students to faculty and staff who are able to offer individualized support to our students who live on campus with us. We also have our finals review and skills workshops that we bring in hall each semester to really focus on the needs of our students. We also have an achievable educational series that we have our residential staff host each semester that really helps to provide that academic success focus and that lens. While we do have all of these great opportunities, I love to highlight our residential community programs and living learning communities, which are residential communities with a special emphasis. So themes for these specific groups may be based off of identity, academic major, or even areas of interest. I highly recommend all of our first year students to get involved in either an RCP or an LLC in their first year with us. And so if you want to know more information, I encourage you to check out our website. While all of these resources are great, we also want to ensure your student safety. And so we want to make sure that you understand that all of our halls have direct card access that only gives our students the access for the halls that they live in. We also are steps away from the University Police Station, which is a great campus partner with us who provides direct support and care for the students who live on campus. We also have the blue light system, and these are emergency phones that are found all throughout the campus. And we do have our overnight and weekend staff, our resident assistants who serve in an on-call capacity for us, which really do provide a lot of really great experiences and are able to provide those referrals as needed if our students are having any issues while living on campus with us. Now, the steps to living on campus are pretty simple. You want to make sure that you apply and get admitted to USF. Once you are accepted, you can complete the online housing application through your housing portal. You want to submit your admissions deposit, complete your immunization information, and reserve your spot at orientation. And once you get all those steps completed, you'll get your updated assignment in your email and your housing portal, where you can get directly connected and information about what your room assignment will be, which hall you're going to be in, who are your roommates, and all of those great pieces. So as you're exploring your options, I want to highlight our 3 different residential communities that we have. Our Osprey Suites is our newest residential community that was just built a few years back. We do have 2, 3, and 4 bedroom options for our students in both private and shared suites. We have our Pelican Apartments, which is where a lot of our upperclassmen tend to stay. These are typically 4 bedroom suites with a common kitchen and dining room where they have private bathrooms. And then our Ibis Hall, which is our more traditional residential residential community, and this has a 2-bedroom suite style shared space with a private bathroom. All of our residence hall pricing information is found on our website, but these rates that are listed here are notated per semester, so I want to highlight that. In terms of the university financial obligations, I want to highlight that all of our housing charges are broken into 3 different categories. We have our application fees, our rent charges, and our miscellaneous charges that may be assessed throughout the year. I want to make sure that all of our students know that they're expected to pay rent by the indicated deadline, and all of the information about the students' financial obligations are found in their OASIS account. And so we strongly encourage our students to connect with financial aid and make sure that they have everything set in line to live on campus with us. Some things to remember: all of our students who apply to live on campus will be assessed a $50 non-refundable application fee. Our assignments process begins the February prior to the start of your term. So we love to see our students apply as early as possible to ensure that they get their #1 priority, either community or residential community program. Once the agreement is signed, the students are obligated to the terms and conditions of the contract, and will be expected to live on campus with us. Now, before we leave, I want to highlight some residential education opportunities. We love our students to get involved on campus and find their leadership while living with us. For the first year of your residential experience, we encourage our students to get involved in community council or the Residence Hall Association, which is a student government type opportunity for our residential students to build leadership skills, get experience in programming. We also have our federal work study or front desk worker position that any of our first year students can apply for. And then after your first year of living on campus with us, you would be eligible for the resident assistant position if that's something you're interested in. We are always hiring students who want to make a difference on campus, want to support our residential students, students who love programming, arts and crafts, and all the other things that the RA position requires. And so if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Here, our number is 727-873-5101, or you can email us at stp-housing@usf.edu. We encourage you to stay connected and feel free to reach out if you need anything. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope that you have a great day.